सद्याक इंडोनेशिया USAत कोविडाचे ल्हार आसा. गोंयांत तिसरे ल्हार येवं येता. नक्की कितें सांगूं नजो, पूण आमी तोंड दिवपाचे तयारीत आसात. गोमेकाचो DN डॉक्टर शिवानंद बान्नेकारान सांगलें. गोंयांत पर्यटक येवपाक लागल्यात हाची तुमकां जाणविकाय आसा? ह्या पत्रकारान विचारल्या प्रश्नांक ताणें कितें जाप दिली पळयात.
Look at the world statistics. Yes, right now Indonesia is suffering. There are some cases in USA also in pediatric ICU. But nobody can, as of now, nobody can say definitely the third wave will affect Israel only. It is ready in pediatric department of GMC as well as in specialty block.
Okay.
Manpower, see, we have almost more than 110 pediatricians in there. There is an expert committee which takes the review. Today also there is one meeting of expert committee. We take review of all these preparedness. That's a different ticket in a long time. They were on ventilators, they were having chronic disease. Some of them have become negative, but they are having the complications. Complications of long time.
Critical patient कितने हैं अभी कोविड?
Right now in super specialty, I think we have 14 in the ICU. It is already going on. No? That, we have given necessary suggestions in our expert committee report.
Okay.
Thank you.